Hello friends, merhaba arkadaşlar. In this lesson, we will continue with the definite past tense, but this time we are going to learn the negative and positive question forms. As you see on the chart, the past tense suffix is d, di, do, which alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. And if the word ends with a voiceless consonant, one of p, ç, t, k, f, h, s, ş, then the past tense suffix alternates to t, t, tu, tu, according to the consonant alternation rule. All these we learned in our previous lesson. What is new in this lesson? Question suffix m, mi, mu, mü, which again alternates according to four-way vowel harmony. So how are we going to write a question sentence in Turkish? Okay, let's start with a simple one. Did I write? To write a positive question sentence in Turkish, first of all, I'm going to write the positive sentence. And after that, I'm going to add a question suffix to that positive sentence, and it will be a question sentence. Like this. I, ben. Write, yaz. Wrote, yazdı. And the person pronoun suffix in the end, ben yazdım. I wrote. To make it a question sentence, you simply add the question suffix. M. Ben yazdım mı? I wrote, ben yazdım. Did I write? Ben yazdım mı? Okay? Ben yazdım mı? Let's make another one. Did you join? This is the question sentence I want. But first of all, I'm going to write the positive sentence. Join is katıl. Let's write the positive sentence first. You, sen. Join, katıl. Joined, katıldı. And with the person pronoun suffix, you joined. Sen katıldın. But I want to say, did you join? So I need a question suffix here, mı. Sen katıldın mı? You joined, sen katıldın. Did you join? Sen katıldın mı? Alright? Let's make another one. Did he get married? This is the question sentence. And the positive sentence is he got married. Get married, evlen in Turkish. So let's write the positive sentence first. He, o, get married, evlen, got married, evlendi. Any personal pronoun? There is no personal pronoun for o. So this is the positive sentence. O evlendi. He got married. I want to make it a question, so I need the question suffix here, which is mi. O evlendi mi? Did he get married? O evlendi mi? Let's continue with the plural ones. Did we open? This is the question. We opened is the positive sentence, and open is aç in Turkish. Let's write the positive sentence first. We, biz, open, aç, opened, açtı, and the personal pronoun suffix k. So biz açtık, we opened. How am I going to say did we open? I just simply add the question suffix. Mı, biz açtık mı? We opened, biz açtık. Did we open? Biz açtık mı? Alright. Next one, did you close? Let's write it in plural form. You closed is the positive sentence. Close is kapat in Turkish. You, siz. Close, kapat. And the past tense suffix t, kapattı. And the person pronoun suffix nız. Siz kapattınız. You closed. But I want to write did you close? So I need a question suffix mı. Siz kapattınız mı? You closed, siz kapattınız. Did you close? Siz kapattınız mı? And lastly, did they ask? This is the positive question sentence. They asked is the positive sentence. Ask is sor in Turkish. Now let's write it. They, onlar, ask, sor, asked, sordu, and the person pronoun suffix for onlar is lar. Onlar sordular. They asked. How am I going to make it? Did they ask? I need a question suffix now. Onlar sordular mı? They asked. Onlar sordular. Did they ask? Onlar sordular mı? Okay, how about the negative ones? Remember the negative suffix is ma or me, which alternates according to two-way vowel harmony. Okay, now let's write a negative question sentence first. Did I write? Now I'm going to write a negative sentence. I didn't write. And after that, simply I'm going to add the question suffix again. Write is yes. So how am I going to write? I didn't write. I, ben. Write, yaz. How am I going to make it negative? Yazma. Didn't write, yazmadı. And the person pronoun suffix, ma. Ben yazmadım. I didn't write. How am I going to make it a question sentence? I need to add the question suffix to the end, mı. Ben yazmadım mı? I didn't write, ben yazmadım. Didn't I write, ben yazmadım mı? Alright. Didn't you join? This is the negative question sentence I want. And the negative sentence is you didn't join. Join is katıl. Okay, let's write the negative sentence first. You, sen, join, katıl, don't join, katılma, didn't join, katılmadı, and with the person pronoun suffix, you didn't join, sen katılmadın. But I want a question, so I need to add the question suffix to the end, sen katılmadın mı? You didn't join, sen katılmadın. Didn't you join, sen katılmadın mı? Another one. Didn't he get married? This is the negative question sentence. And the negative sentence is he didn't get married. Get married is evlen in Turkish. Let's write the negative sentence first. He, o, get married, evlen, don't get married, evlenme, didn't get married, evlenmedi. Is there any person pronoun? No, there is no person pronoun for o. So he didn't get married is o evlenmedi. But I want to make it a question sentence, so I need to add the question suffix to the end, and it is o evlenmedi mi. He didn't get married, o evlenmedi. Didn't he get married, o evlenmedi mi? This is the question 4. Okay, let's continue with the plural ones. Didn't we cut? This is the question. And the negative sentence is we didn't cut. Cut is kes. Let's write it. We, biz, cut, kes. Don't cut, kesme. Didn't cut, kesmedi. And the person pronoun suffix, ka. Biz kesmedik, we didn't cut. To make it a question sentence, simply add the question suffix, mi. Biz kesmedik mi? We didn't cut, biz kesmedik. Didn't we cut, biz kesmedik mi? Next one. Didn't you speak? This is the question sentence I want. And the negative sentence is you didn't speak. Speak is konuş in Turkish. Let's write it. You, siz, speak, konuş. Don't speak, konuşma. Didn't speak, konuşmadı. And the person pronoun suffix for the plural, nız. So siz konuşmadınız, you didn't speak. And to make it a question sentence, I add the question suffix. And now it's didn't you speak. Siz konuşmadınız mı? You didn't speak, siz konuşmadınız. Didn't you speak, siz konuşmadınız mı? And lastly, didn't they go? This is the question sentence. And the negative sentence is they didn't go. Go is git in Turkish. Let's write it. They, onlar, go, git. Don't go, gitme. Didn't go, gitmedi. Any personal pronoun? Of course, ler. Onlar gitmediler. They didn't go. But I want to say didn't they go? So I need a question suffix, mi. They didn't go. Onlar gitmediler. Didn't they go? Onlar gitmediler mi? Okay, friends. As you see, to make a negative or positive question sentence in Turkish is really easy. First, just write the negative or positive sentence, and after that, simply just add the question suffix to the end. If you have any questions, please write in the comment section. Hope to see you in our following lessons, and for now, goodbye. Hoşça kalın.